Thank you guys. You are awesome. You actually made it to the end of the video. That Willhoite's reground camshaft really sounds pretty damn good. And it makes, it's from what I can feel from the old S meter, it really woke up this little lt1 engine. We're going to get out dyno numbers as soon as this damn coronavirus lets up and I can get into a shop and get some plates for this car. But in the meanwhile, we are going to install these Steinjager control arms, Panhard bar, these cheap Sensen shocks, see how good they actually really are. And we're going to move on to the front of the car, replacing them with the front springs and shocks also, because this car needs everything. It just, with the added horsepower, the age of the car, it's just the suspension is just all over the place. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. Stick around, send some smoke signals, click that like button, comment on the videos. One viewer also posted, he said that the project name, because I was complaining about a project name, you know, what should I call this car? He came up with green bean. I think I'm going to stick with that. What do you guys think? Talk to you later.